Good evening and welcome to the Wolf Times. Tonight's lead story comes from Ahmedabad, where a shocking and deeply disturbing crime has sent waves of grief and anger across the country. A young woman doctor, Dr. Varda Mushtaq, was kidnapped and brutally murdered in what investigators describe as a cold-blooded and pre-planned crime motivated by greed and betrayal of trust. According to police, Dr. Varda was serving at the district headquarters hospital in Ahmedabad. On December 4, after completing her hospital duty, she left to meet a close friend identified as Rida. The meeting was arranged so that 67 tolas of gold, which Dr. Varda had earlier entrusted to her friend for safekeeping before traveling abroad, could be returned. The gold, worth millions of rupees, is believed to be the central motive behind the crime. Investigators say that CCTV footage obtained from Jadoon Plaza shows Dr. Varda arriving at the location with Rida shortly before she went missing. Police believe that instead of returning the gold, the accused lured Dr. Varda to an under-construction house on Rahman Street, where other accomplices were already present. It was there that she was allegedly detained, assaulted, and later murdered. Following her disappearance, a search operation was launched. After several hours, police recovered Dr. Varda's body from a deep pit in the Lari Banota forest area. The discovery confirmed fears that she had been killed soon after being abducted. Police have since arrested 3 suspects in connection with the case, including Rida, her husband, and another accomplice. Authorities say one key suspect remains at large, and raids are continuing to apprehend him. Vehicles and other materials believed to have been used during the crime have also been taken into custody as evidence. Post-mortem and forensic examinations have revealed that Dr. Varda was subjected to severe physical torture and died as a result of strangulation. Police officials have stated that the murder was carefully planned and executed, with financial greed identified as the primary motive. The killing has sparked widespread outrage. Doctors, paramedics, and hospital staff staged protests in Ahmedabad and other cities demanding swift justice and maximum punishment for those responsible. Protesters say the murder has exposed serious concerns about personal safety, especially for healthcare professionals who already work under stressful and risky conditions. Senior police officials have assured the public that the investigation is being conducted on a priority basis and that all individuals involved in the crime will be brought to justice. Authorities say no one will be spared and that the case will be pursued to its legal conclusion. The murder of Dr. Varda Mushtaq has left a painful mark on the community, raising troubling questions about trust, greed, and the safety of citizens in society. As investigations continue, the nation watches closely, hoping for justice in a case that has deeply shaken public conscience. That is the latest from the Wolf Times. Stay with us for further updates. Good night.